Today I discuss about the explanation of experimental result of photoelectric effect on the basis of photoelectric equation. Scientist Leonard Hallwachs Hertz observed about the photoelectric effect and obtained some experimental results, but unsucceed to explain because they have no particular equation. When Einstein studied quantum theory given by Planck, to study Planck quantum theory, Einstein explained experimental result of photoelectric effect on the basis of photoelectric equation. Since according to Einstein, according to Einstein, photoelectric equation, photoelectric equation the maximum kinetic energy, the maximum kinetic energy of emitted photoelectron from the metallic surface, E maximum is equal h nu minus h into nu minus nu naught. Or other words, this equation can also be written as E maximum is equal h nu minus h nu naught, or this can also be written as E maximum is equal h nu minus phi naught. Here phi naught is work function for given metal. Since we know that the value of work function for different metals are different, so energy required by electrons emitting from surface also different. Here suppose that this is a metal, this is a metallic plate. We know that electrons are present near the surface. Einstein proposed that when any light photon incident on the metallic surface, then this photon interact with one electron, and this photon transfer its energy to only one electron. Observing energy of this photon, electron try to emit from surface. If the energy absorbed by electron is greater than work function, then electron emit from surface. But when energy absorbed by electron is less than work function, then it cannot emit from the metallic surface. Here we know that the work function for a metal I naught is equal H nu naught, where H is Planck constant and nu naught is threshold frequency. Here nu naught is equal threshold frequency. Or we can say that work function for a metal is dependent on the threshold frequency. If the energy of incident photon is greater or equal to work function, or in other words, we can say that if the energy of incident photon is greater or equal to h nu naught, or in other words, we can say that if the frequency of incident photon is greater or equal to nu naught. From Einstein photoelectric equation, Einstein explained experimental result of photoelectric effect. From equation first, if the frequency of incident photon on the metallic plate nu is less than nu naught, then kinetic energy of photoelectron become negative. Since we know that kinetic energy is never negative. If kinetic energy is negative, then it is not possible to electron emit from the metallic surface. So, if frequency of incident photon nu less than nu naught, if the frequency of incident photon nu is less than threshold frequency, then kinetic energy of the photoelectron become negative. And since we know that kinetic energy is never negative, so electron cannot emit from the metallic surface. But if the frequency of incident photon become more than threshold frequency, then kinetic energy become positive, because when nu become greater than nu naught, then difference become positive. So difference of nu and nu naught become positive. So energy of emitted photoelectron is positive. When kinetic energy is positive, so electron emit from the metallic surface. So it is clear that electron can emit from metallic surface only when the frequency of incident photon is become greater than threshold frequency. So it is clear that the emission of photoelectron is possible only when the frequency of incident photon become more than threshold frequency. Second, Einstein proposed that the intensity of light means number of photons incident per unit area in per unit time on a metallic surface. If the number of photons incident per unit area in per unit time is more, then intensity of light also more. And since one electron, one photon interact with only one electron, so one photon transfer its energy to only one electron. One photon is capable to eject only one electron. So more electrons are emitted from the metallic surface when more photons are incident, and it is possible when the intensity of incident light become more. When more electrons emitted from metallic surface, then the value of photoelectric current become more. So it is clear the value of photoelectric current is dependent on intensity of light, not frequency. So according to Einstein, the intensity of light means number of incident photon on per unit area in per unit time. If the number of photon incident on metallic surface is more, then intensity of light also more. Here it is clear that intensity of light means number of photons. When the number of photons in a light is more, then we can say that intensity is also more. And when more photons incident on the metallic surface, so the number of emitted photoelectron also more. So value of photoelectric current is more. So it is clear that the value of photoelectric current is dependent on the intensity of light, not frequency. Third step, Einstein proposed that when one photon incident on metallic surface, then it interacts with only one electron. One photon transfer its energy only one electron. Or in other words, we can say that one photon is capable to emit only one electron. But from equation first, here we see that if the energy of incident photon is more than what function, then difference of h nu minus phi naught is also become more. So we can say that the energy of emitted photoelectrons, the kinetic energy of emitted photoelectrons from metallic surface is dependent on the frequency of the incident light photon. If the frequency of incident light photon is become more than threshold frequency, Or we can say that if the energy of photoelectron is become more than work function, so electron absorb more energy than work function. So difference of Hv minus phi naught is become more. So kinetic energy also become more. So it is clear that the kinetic energy of the emitted photoelectron from metallic surface is independent on the intensity. In energy of kinetic energy of the photoelectrons emitted from metallic surface is dependent on the frequency of ejected photon. And fourth step, Einstein proposed that when any light photon incident on the metallic surface, then there is elastic collision between photon and electrons. Since we know that there is no loss of energy in elastic collision, so we can say that as soon as light photon incident on the metallic surface, absorbing the energy of this photon, electron at once emit from the metallic surface. There is no time interval. So this can be explained according to elastic collision. This experimental result can be explained by Einstein taken equation for kinetic energy of photoelectron emitted from metallic surface. So Einstein succeeded to explain experimental results of photoelectric effect on the basis of photoelectric equation. On the basis of this photoelectric equation, there is a important numericals which is generally given in examination. Now we calculate example on the basis of this equation. We calculate example. Find out difference. Find out difference between kinetic energy energies of emitted photoelectrons of 3000 angstrom and 6000 angstrom. Find out difference between kinetic energies of emitted photoelectrons of 3000 angstrom and 6000 angstrom. Suppose that light photon incident on metallic surface of wavelength 3000 angstrom and 6000 angstrom. Since we know that the energy of photon E is equal h nu or E is equal to Sc by lambda. So energy of the photoelectron is inversely proportional to the wavelength. Here we see that the photons which wavelength is 3000 angstrom have more energy in comparison to the photon of wavelength 6000 angstrom. So here the value of wavelength of instant photons are given. With the help of wavelength of the given photons, we can calculate kinetic energies of emitted photon from metal surface. Here surface metal is same, so work function is same. The wavelength of first photon lambda 1 is equal to 3000 angstrom. This is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 7 meter, because 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. Since 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter, so 3000 angstrom is equal to 3 to 10 power minus 7 meter. Similarly, value of wavelength of second photon 6000 angstrom. This is equal 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter. According to Einstein photoelectric equation, the kinetic energy, the maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons is equal h nu minus phi naught, or this can also written as E maximum is equal Sc by lambda minus phi naught. When the value of wavelength of photon is 3000 angstrom, then the energy of emitted photon E1 is equal Sc by lambda 1 minus phi naught. Similarly, the kinetic energy of photoelectron emitted from metallic surface of wavelength 6000 angstrom, E2 is equal Sc by lambda 2 minus phi naught. Here we see that the value of lambda 1 is less, so value of kinetic energy E1 is more. Therefore, the difference of the kinetic energy of photoelectrons E1 minus E2 is equal Sc by lambda 1 minus phi 1 minus, if we subtract equation first by second, so here we find that these are cancelled. So E1 minus E2 is equal Sc by lambda 1 minus Sc by lambda 2. So taken Sc common, E1 minus E2 means difference of kinetic energy of photoelectrons, delta E is equal Hc into 1 by lambda 1 minus 1 by lambda 2. So this is equal to Sc delta E is equal Hc taking LCM of lambda 1 and lambda 2. So this can be written as lambda 2 minus lambda 1. Now putting value of Hc and lambda 1, lambda 2, we can calculate value of difference of kinetic energy emitted photoelectrons from metallic surface. The value of Planck constant is 6.62 times 10 power minus 34. The value of C means velocity of light 3 to 10 power 8 into 6 into 10 power minus 7 minus 3 into 10 power minus 7 by 3 into 10 power minus 7 into 6 into 10 power minus 7. If we calculate this value, then we find out 6.62 into 3 into 10 to power minus 26 into, if we take common from these two quantities, 10 power minus 7, then this obtains 6 minus 3 by 3 into 6 into 10 power minus 7 into 10 power minus 7. So these are cancelled to each other, and this is also cancelled. So this is equal to 6.62 by 6 into 3 into 10 to power minus 19, because 10 power minus 7 when taken as numerator, then its power changes, and this value is obtained in joule. So this value is obtained in joule. If we find in electron volt, then divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 90, because we know that 1.6 into 10 power minus 90 joule is equal to 1 electron volt. So this can also be written as 33.1 by 16, and this is approximately equal to 2.07 electron volt. Hence, we can find difference of photoelectrons emitted from metallic surface using the Einstein photoelectric equation. Thank you.